Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Epic English Club. I'm Lily.
And I'm Max. Real moments, natural English.
Max, how's your week going?
Pretty good. I'm trying to wake up earlier these days. Some mornings are good, some mornings are not.
That sounds real.
Very real. My alarm and I are not friends. But today was good. I got up on time, so I feel proud of myself.
That is a win. I know what you mean. A calm morning can change the whole day.
Exactly. Coffee helps too. When I make coffee slowly, the day feels a little better.
Coffee always helps, and this actually connects to daily routines.
Right. Daily routines are small things, but we talk about them all the time.
A friend might ask, what do you usually do in the morning? Or what do you do after work?
So today, let's talk about our daily routines in a natural way.
We'll have the conversation first, and after that, we'll look at a few key phrases.
Simple English, but real English.
Exactly. I'll start with my morning. I usually wake up around 7:30. I'm not really a morning person, so I need a few minutes before I feel awake.
I can relate to that. I need a few minutes too. I don't want to talk right away in the morning.
Same here. First, I drink water. Then I make coffee or tea. I try not to check my phone right away, but it's not always easy.
Same. If I check my phone first, I lose track of time. 5 minutes becomes 20 minutes.
Exactly. So I try to keep my mornings simple. Water, coffee, and a small breakfast. Usually toast, eggs, or yogurt. Nothing fancy.
That sounds nice. My morning is simple too, but I wake up earlier than you. I usually wake up around 6:30.
That's early. Do you like getting up early?
I like quiet mornings. I turn off my alarm, get out of bed, and make coffee. I don't do anything special. I just like having a little quiet time before the day gets busy.
That sounds peaceful. I like the idea of quiet time, but I'm usually still waking up.
Fair enough. I'm awake, but I'm not fully ready either. Coffee helps me warm up.
I like that. Coffee as a warm-up.
Exactly. After coffee, I usually get dressed and check my schedule. I like to know what's coming.
I do that too. I check my plan for the day, but I don't make a long list. I write a short list because long lists make me stressed.
That makes sense. I also like short lists. I usually write work tasks, emails, and one personal thing, like going grocery shopping or taking a walk.
I like that. It makes the day feel balanced. Not only work.
Exactly. We need life too.
What does your workday usually look like?
I start work around 8. First, I check my schedule. Then I check messages and emails. After that, I try to focus on one task at a time.
That sounds good. Is it easy for you?
Not always. I open one email, then I see another message, then I forget the first email. So I have to remind myself one task at a time.
That is so real. I do that too.
I try to do my harder work in the morning because I have more energy then. In the afternoon, I save easier work, like emails or simple planning.
That's smart. My work routine is a little different. I start with small tasks first.
Small tasks? Like what?
Emails, notes, and simple things. They help me warm up. After that, I feel ready for bigger work.
I like that. It's like a work warm-up.
Exactly. Around 11, I take a short break. I stand up, stretch, and drink water. Sometimes I just look for snacks.
That counts as a break.
Thank you. I needed that.
What do you usually do for lunch?
I usually keep lunch simple too. I eat leftovers or make a sandwich. If I'm busy, leftovers save the day.
I love leftovers. I heat up leftovers a lot. It saves time and I don't have to think too much.
Same. But I try not to eat at my desk. I need to step away from my desk and take a real lunch break.
I get that. Eating at the desk doesn't feel like a break. It feels like work with food.
Exactly. Work with food.
That's too true. In the afternoon, I usually get tired around 3.
Same. That's when my brain gets slow and I need a reset.
What helps you reset?
A short walk helps me clear my head. Water helps too. And sometimes coffee. What about you?
I usually take a short walk or listen to music. If I stay at my desk too long, I feel drained.
I know what you mean. A small break can really help.
What time do you finish work?
I try to finish around 5:30. Some days I can, some days I can't. When I finish, I close my laptop and tell myself, that's enough for today.
I like that. You call it a day.
I try. After work, I usually take a walk or make dinner. Nothing fancy. Pasta, rice, soup, easy food.
That sounds good. My dinner is usually simple too. After dinner, I clean up a little. I don't clean the whole house. One small area is enough.
Very realistic. I like realistic routines.
Me too. Perfect routines look nice online, but real life is different.
Exactly. What about your evening routine?
My evening routine is simple. I make dinner, clean the kitchen a little, and watch something. I try not to watch too much, but one episode becomes 3 episodes.
Tell me about it. That happens so easily.
In the evening, I try to wind down. Music, reading, or a short walk helps me relax.
That sounds peaceful. I also try to wind down, but my phone makes it hard.
Same. I try to put my phone away before bed, but it only works sometimes.
We are all trying.
That's the truth.
I think daily routines don't need to be perfect.
I agree. Your routine just needs to work for you.
My routine is simple, but it works for me.
My routine is flexible, but it works for me.
Great examples. When you talk about routines, you don't need big words.
Simple English is enough, but it should sound natural.
Right. Real words for real life. Before we wrap up, let's look at the most useful phrases from today.
First, lose track of time. It means you don't notice time passing.
Like, I lose track of time when I check my phone.
Next, one task at a time. It means focus on one thing first.
That's useful for work, studying, and busy days.
Another good one is take a short break. It means stop for a little while.
Very useful. I need to take a short break.
We also said, clear my head. It means feel fresh again.
Like, a short walk helps me clear my head.
And wind down means relax at the end of the day.
I love that one. I wind down with music.
Last one, it works for me. It means it fits my life.
Your routine doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to work for you.
I like that. And honestly, everyone's routine looks a little different.
Exactly. Some people love quiet mornings. Some people need a slow start.
Some people plan everything, and some people just do their best.
And that's what makes this topic fun. We shared our routines today, but now we want to hear yours.
Yes. What does your daily routine look like?
Leave a comment and tell us about your morning, your workday, or your evening routine.
We'd love to know how your day usually goes.
And if this episode was helpful, please subscribe.
That way, you won't miss the next episode.
That's it for today's episode of Epic English Club.
Thanks for listening.
Real moments, natural English.
See you next time.